Welcome once again to Diamond Express Diamond Painting YouTube studio, where today we're going to show you how to frame this diamond painting. It's a 30 by 45. We're going to frame this thing for $3.50. We're going to do it relatively fast as well. But just to recap, over here we have Bahama 35 by 35. This is in a nice frame that we ordered. It was about $36 to frame. It's got some plexiglass on top of it. Over here we have Ladybug at 20 by 20, and these were done with Walmart frames, and they cost probably about $10 maximum. We showed those in a video. And then over here is Old Glory, and we put this on a wood backing. I really like this one. This goes down in our guest room, and this one was about $18 at Walmart. So one of the things you can also do is put like USA up here or something like that if you were so inclined. But today we are going to frame this guy, and we're going to do it for $3.50, and we're going to show you how. Hang on a second. All right, here we go. We're going to start the framing. I misspoke earlier. This isn't $3.50, it's $5.30. So we're going to frame for $5.30. We're going to use this frame right here. I got this at Walmart. And we'll open this up. We don't need this. Our canvas is our diamond painting, so we'll put that off to the side. And put the box over here. And we'll keep that right here. So the first thing we're going to do with this frame, it's going to hang like this. We don't need the sides of the diamond painting. So we're going to cut off the sides of the diamond painting. Now if you remember, this is the first diamond painting we used to show you how to seal. So it's got 4 different types of sealants on it and 4 different quadrants. So we found out some of the sealants work better than the others. And what I also found out is you should go over your sealant with a damp cloth before it dries to remove any excess sealant on top of the diamond painting. And that way it'll keep it shine and luster and sparkle, as it were. So this is working out great. The cutting, just get it as close as you can to the diamonds. You really want to get it tight if you can, because it's less stuff hanging over the side. I found that when I slide the scissors too much, I don't get as close to the diamonds as I'd like. All right. There we go. So here we go. This is, laugh at how easy this is. These are magnets on the wood here. All right, we're going to place this one down here, just like this. And we're going to take the bottom one. You want to have the bottom one because it makes it look more like a frame, and it'll also weight it down some. And we'll place the bottom one on there, and we get these things evened. I get them even across the bottom, that is, and the top. That is kind of important. So, just eyeball. Working with magnets is hard. It can make you look really clumsy. There you go. Okay. There it is. Boom. So we're going to hang this up in our Hall of Fame right here in a second and show you what that looks like. Okay. We've hung our diamond painting over here. A couple things to consider. Make sure you get these evenly spaced at the top and the bottom. Another consideration is you can think about maybe using less string, either tying a knot in it somewhere or something that looks nice. I think we should also hang this one a little bit higher. Okay, but $5.30, your wonderful diamond painting is now hanging in the wall. Please like, please subscribe, And remember, every subscription, we donate 10 cents to charity, and our goal is to someday raise $1 million for charity through our YouTube videos. Thank you very much for watching. Stick around for new videos.